Nicole recently had coffee with her good friend Jeffrey, the director of facility services for a large university. Jeffrey was overwhelmed. The college wanted certification to demonstrate that they'd established and implemented appropriate cleaning, disinfection, infectious disease prevention, work practices, protocols, procedures, and systems to protect and reassure the public that they were ready for reopening. They told Jeffrey he needed to document his standard operating procedures, goals, objectives, and targets, along with his personnel training and competency. He also needed to implement a detailed quality control program with audits and inspections, as well as enhance his communication with his staff, students, administration, and the public. Additionally, he needed to monitor and have lifetime updates on the cleanliness of all areas on campus, and then have better control and management of his inventory. Last but not least, he needed a way to document the costs his department would incur with the increased cleaning and disinfecting that was now required to maintain a healthy facility. He did not know where to start. Nicole smiled and asked him if he'd heard about Janitorial Manager, a robust custodial management software she's used in her cleaning business for years. She knew JM would be the perfect solution for Jeffrey, too. Scan to Clean let her set up unlimited QR codes for specific areas of the facilities her team cleaned. Her staff can scan the QR code to begin cleaning an area, view a checklist on the essential activities to be completed, and then scan the QR code again to confirm that the job was done. Nicole even gets lifetime updates for all areas showing who cleaned it, how long it took to perform the work, when the area was last cleaned, and the current area status. For buildings not using the QR code function, Nicole still uses custom checklists and photo-enabled communication with her staff and key stakeholders to share and track activities and expectations. She blew Jeffrey's mind when she shared JM's inspection feature. The individualized quality control review for employees and facilities helps make sure the cleaning work gets finished and reviewed for quality. This allows her to provide feedback to her employees on a job well done or training needed. It allows her to send reports to the people she cleans for with pictures, notes, and historical trends of results. With Janitorial Manager's robust tracking tools, Nicole is able to track and document employee performance, training, and competencies. This documentation and tracking helps keep her staff up to date on job performance and education. Using the enhanced inventory feature of JM allowed Nicole to manage her inventory down to the closest location, perform cycle counting, place email orders with suppliers remotely, and assure she always had the right products in the right place at the right time. Finally, the workloading feature of JM allowed Nicole to create a detailed cleaning plan, including the number of times per day her staff would perform essential services, like disinfecting high-touch surfaces, then validating the time and expense with industry-standard measures. Jeffrey took Nicole's advice and implemented JM at his school. He found that in addition to helping him achieve certification, Janitorial Manager helped him improve efficiency, reduce his budget, and improve his results in creating a clean, safe, and healthy learning environment. Jeffrey was so excited about his success getting certified that he called up his friends who work with sports stadiums, airports, shopping malls, and convention centers to share how they could use JM to achieve certifications like G-Star and others. Learn more about how Janitorial Manager can help you on the path to certification and validating your essential services at janitorialmanager.com.